Of the four games included in the initiative, I must say that Factile is the most different of the games with the format of the game. So when you log into Factile, this is your home page here. You can see that I have some games created already, but we're going to go ahead and create a new game. And again, we're just going to call this an example. And we'll just generate the URL. It does not need to be anything specific. Now, once you set up the game, it takes you to this page. Now, you can see that it's kind of almost like a Jeopardy board, and that's very similar to what Factile is. However, there's a few variations that you can do with Factile. So we have our example up here. Now, I'm not going to fill in all these categories just for the purpose of this video. We're just going to do a few questions in one category. So we'll do multiplication facts for the first category. So my first question is going to be 2 times 7, the answer 14. You can add images, videos, equations, or sounds. So since this is a math problem, I'm actually going to use the equation. Oh, and I can't use the equation because it's in the pro version, and my pro version expired. So we have 2 times 7, our answer is 14. We've got the question, we've got the answer. You do not have to enter other answer choices for this one because the students will be giving you this answer. So we're gonna hit save. And that question is worth $100. The next question is worth $200, so I'll make this one a little more difficult. We'll do 3 times 6. Our answer is 18. We'll save that, and we'll do another one. 4 times 8. And I'm just trying to quickly go through these. All right, so you can see that I have one row here created. Now you can create as many rows as there are on here. Up to this many, you can create up to 6 of the columns here. However, if you don't need the 6 columns and you only need 3 or 4 columns, that's fine. It'll just, when you present the game, it will not have those last columns in there. You can add in daily doubles. You can change the setting of the game. Now those are actually, so I know the daily double is a premium feature, but with this you do have final Factile, so this will be like your final Jeopardy. The students can wager the amount of points that they want to wager, and then if they get them correct, they get those points, and if not, they lose them. So our final question here is, we'll do what is 35 or 34 times 2, and our answer is going to be 68. So when you get to the end of the game, you can do final Factile with your class, but that's pretty much all there is to creating a Factile game. When you are finished, you can go back to your games. It saves it automatically. You can go right to play the game. You can share it and so on. So I'm just going to go back to the main page since I am finished. My example is here. Now in the next video, go ahead and watch how to host and play the game. All right, thanks for watching.